Hi, I couldn't be here tonight, so I wanted to make a short video to explain my concept map for my portfolio. So I'm tentatively titling the portfolio The Shifted Classroom, which is based on an idea that I wrote for a paper for one of my other courses for the master's. So this concept of the shifted classroom is guided by constructivist and connectivist theories of learning. And it is enabled by authentic assessment, as well as web-based learning tools. So constructivist and connectivist theories of learning can be characterized as collaborative, learner-directed, and problem-based learning. And that's more on the constructivist side of things. And then for our connectivists, we're looking at a process of connecting, network learning, and the idea that the capacity to know is greater than what is known at the current moment. We're also looking at the knowledge creation process as being one of the criteria. So this big idea for my portfolio will be represented by the following artifacts. My vision paper, where I outline a vision for education in 2020 that is very much based on constructivism and connectivism. My literature review, where I looked at constructivist and connectivist theories of learning in relation to students' use of social network sites. And my research proposal, which formed the basis for my idea for my portfolio. Also, my synthesis and analysis of learning theories paper, which deals with a number of different theories but touches on constructivism as being one of the major paradigms. The other branch that is one of my big ideas is authentic assessment. And that can be divided into assessment for, as, and of learning, which provides opportunities for differentiation, and it drives instruction. And this is represented by the following artifacts. Lesson plans that I've done on teaching students how to use higher order thinking skills and develop questions that represent the higher levels of Bloom's taxonomy. Rubrics that I've created for different assignments. My assessment plan for grade 12 college level English, which is probably the most comprehensive assessment plan that I've done that really articulates the breakdown in different types of assessment and shows the movement from sort of big ideas and the different components that will feed into that. Authentic assessment informs the choice of web-based learning tools, which is the other major branch of my portfolio. And when I'm talking about web-based learning tools, I'm talking about tools like blogs, Twitter, social network sites, and interactive learning tools. And I'm going to represent this in my portfolio with PechaKucha that I did on social network sites, blogging presentation that I've done, a presentation that I did on using Twitter to reimagine Shakespeare, and some screenshots from some of my student blogs, as well as the Hamlet interactive website that I made for my course on web-based learning tools. And that's where we're at. So I still have a number of artifacts that I plan on adding to these different categories, but that's just sort of my starting point right now.